car, hands held tight, whispered every burden in the fading light. Tears on her cheek, faith in her heart. She poured it all out, every broken part. She pressed that red lit screen like the call was just routine. But did she think to wait to hear his voice so still, so near? Don't hang up when you say I'm in. He's still speaking, just listen. And love's not just a one-way prayer. He's reaching back, he's always there. So don't hang up, don't walk away. Stay connected every day. How many times do we bow our heads, say what we need, then leave them unread? Like a voicemail we never check, missing the words he's whispering next. But he's waiting on the line with his peace and perfect time. Not just a moment, not just a plea. He wants a real relationship with me. Don't hang up when you say I'm in. He's still speaking, just listen in. Love's not just a one-way prayer. He's reaching back, he's always there. So don't hang up, don't walk away. Stay connected every day. He's waiting, his answer is in the quiet. Maybe it's written in the sky. Maybe it's love through a stranger's kindness, or a whisper deep inside. So I won't rush, I won't run, I'll leave my heart wide open. Don't hang up when you say I'm in.